Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to highlight duplicate values in Google Sheets. Highlighting duplicates help us quickly spot repeated entries and maintain clean data. So let's get started. Here is our dataset. I have a list of fruits. We want to highlight duplicate items automatically. Select the item column. Go to the top menu. Click on Format. Now choose Conditional Formatting. A panel appears on the right side of Google Sheets. Under Format Cells If, select Custom Formulas. And enter the formula is equal to COUNTIF, open bracket, A2 to A. Make sure to add $sign for absolute reference. Comma, A2, close the bracket, greater than 1. Click the Formatting Style color box and choose the color, for example light red. Click Done. Now all duplicate items are highlighted. If you add another duplicate later, it will be highlighted automatically. So this is how you can easily highlight the duplicate values. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.